If you are a luxury lover like me, you know that we often have luxury wish lists in our mind at all times. Sometimes they are current luxury wish lists, sometimes they are, 5 years, 10 years luxury wish lists, and sometimes they are wish lists that you still think about from many, many years ago, not knowing if it's really something you need to own in the present day. That is what today's video is going to be about. I don't know what it is about this handbag. Like I said, if you're a luxury lover, I guarantee you there are many of you that are watching this video right now that are going to understand the hold that this bag had on all of us. I feel like there is one particular celebrity that like magnified that. It will make sense whenever I share the bag. I really, really wanted to do a live unboxing on my channel. I'm not a patient person. I have never been accused of being patient, so I didn't do that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and switch the footage over because I did film the live unboxing on my phone. So let's go and switch over to that and we'll be back to chat. Used to never do what's best for me. I am not going to be able to film for 4 or 5 days, and I am not a patient person. As much as I would love to open this on camera with you, I thought I would just go ahead and take a little sneaky peeky because, like I said, I've never been accused of being patient. I'm so excited about this bag, you guys. I feel like it's kind of like it feels very nostalgic. I'm not even 100% sure how much I'm going to use this bag. I just know that I have wanted it for as long as I can remember. This has been a bag, and I feel like so many of you will agree with me. This has been one of those bags that it just came and we have never forgot about it. And I really, really, really hope this is in the condition or in a condition. Max is going to join in a condition that I will be happy with, because I will be devastated if it's not, because so far this is the only one I found in a very long time that I was even willing to purchase. Okay, Max is gone. Bag is secure. I did get a little sneaky peek, but I really want to do the full reveal with you. So here we go. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I wish I had two hands. It is let's do this over here. It is the Louis Vuitton Speedy 30 multicolor. Okay, looks like it got a little squished in This is what I was most concerned about, is the leather. Max, go away, please. Do not touch. Okay, I'm a little bit bummed out. We've got some discoloration here. Oh, I'm not sure how I feel about this. What do we think, guys? What do we think? Oh, look at how white the sides are, and then look at how like yellow this is. I am not sure how I feel, but I will say I'm really, really impressed with the leather, the rest of it, the other parts of the canvas. Let's look at her. Okay, she's bright in the back. Let's look at the bottom. Ooh, the corners look really good. The corners look really good. Okay, okay. Okay, I'm not sure how I feel about this. Do you see that? That discoloration, it's like yellow. I wonder if that can be cleaned. Okay, I'm not sure how I feel about this. Let's open up the inside and see how the inside looks. Hold on, what's going on? Oh, that's cool. Let's see. Open her up. I got the long nails, are kind of hard to use, and this is hard to do one-handed. This is nice. I love this. Okay, okay. Smell test. No smells. That is good. Take out. Okay, the inside looks pretty good too. We got a dust bag. Okay. Everything looks good from what I can see. Even the hardware looks pretty good. I'm in my bathing suit, so if you see reflection, telling you I'm not patient. I was swimming in the pool. If you see a reflection, I apologize. I'm looking a hot mess. Okay, I don't know how I feel about this. I don't think I love this. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Everything else looks so good though. I am actually really impressed with the condition of this. If it wasn't for this part right here, but why would only this part be discolored? That's so odd, right? That's so odd. So I have good news and I have bad news. The good news is that I've realized that I definitely want to add this bag to my collection. The bad news is I don't believe that this is the one. I'm really, really bummed. The bag itself is majority in amazing condition. There are no smells. The raw leather is in great condition. Even most of the white, the multicolor canvas is in great condition. It's just this little area right here, and I just can't get over it. It just looks dingy to me, and I know that that's something that's going to bother me. And I feel like this is one of those bags that I don't even know if it would be a piece that I wore very often. I feel like it would just be a collector's item for me. So because of that, I am going to go and hold out and be a little bit more patient. I've been extremely patient in regards to, I never honestly even thought I would ever own this bag, to be honest. I wanted it for so long. I almost felt like the time had passed. Like it just didn't make sense to add it to my collection. Was it, you know, it was just one of those things that it's like almost nostalgic as opposed to necessary to actually have, and would it be practical to use? I really want it. I know that I want it now that I have it, now that I see it, now that I'm holding one. It's such a beautiful bag, and I don't even want to risk. I was even considering keeping this bag and sending it off to see if they could remove the staining, but I would be devastated if for some reason they weren't able to. So I'm going to go ahead and send this one back. I'm very grateful that Fashionphile does have a good return policy. I have returned things in the past from them, but not very many. This might be my third item that I'll be returning to them, and I've never had any issues, but it is such a great piece. It really, really is. I don't know if I would consider it a classic in the terms of a classic handbag. I consider it a classic in regards to it being iconic. It's an iconic handbag for Louis Vuitton. And for that reason alone, especially since I consider myself a handbag collector, I've got to get this one in my collection. Unfortunately, this one is just not the one. So it is going to be going back. But please tell me I am not wrong about the fact that this bag, Jessica Simpson, thank you very much. You made everybody want this handbag. I feel like we all were watching her show. We all saw the bag. She was obsessed with Louis Vuitton. I was obsessed with Louis Vuitton. I'm sure most of you were obsessed with Louis Vuitton. And yeah, I've just wanted this bag for so long. It really is in great condition. Even the corners are in great condition. The rest of the canvas is in great condition. I'm so bummed that this particular area has an issue. And I'm genuinely curious. Like, I wonder how that even happened. I'll try to give some close-ups, but I'm genuinely curious how that happened, because if you look at the hardware, even the hardware is in amazing condition. Like, there's no scratches on this buckle right here. I don't know how that happens to have this much staining. I'm wondering if like the dust bag stained it. Maybe the dust bag got wet and stained it. I have no idea, but I'm super bummed. But I will be on the hunt for a Louis Vuitton multicolor 30 Speedy, like immediately. So there you have it. Probably one of the most iconic Louis Vuitton handbags, at least for my generation and from where I am living. I just feel like this bag it's just so iconic. So thank you guys for hanging out. Let me know your thoughts. Do you love the bag? Should I get the bag? I'm going to get the bag. I'm going to get the bag. I just feel like at this point now, I have to add it to my collection. So thanks for hanging out. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amanda. I do a lot of fashion and luxury videos here on my channel. So hit that subscribe button, that notification button, and join the YouTube family. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.